Hello students. In the video you just saw, you were watching a robot that was built in my class. My name is Mr. Reese, and I'm the lead teacher in the Academy of Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering here at Smith High School. The reason that I'm talking to you today is because I want you to come join my academy. What we do in the academy is we learn about STEM and we learn about manufacturing and engineering careers. And we do that in a very hands-on fashion, and we build a lot of cool stuff. For example, this is an electric motor that we built in class. Over here, we have a circuit that's being controlled by a tiny microcomputer that's called an Arduino. If you guys are interested in high-paying careers that involve science and technology, this is the place that you need to be. We are looking for students who are interested in STEM and students who are interested in high-paying careers that involve engineering and manufacturing. If this sounds like something that you would be interested in, please talk to your guidance counselor about joining our academy, or send me an email at reesew@gcsnc.com. And I will put my email at the credits of this video. So once again, if you like to do hands-on activities, you like to find out how things work, you like to build things, this is the place for you, and I hope to see you in class soon. Thanks a lot.